Any mention?
I know it's unusual, my lord, but
Yes.
item 25 and 26,
Yes.
your lordship's order had said that they should serve us the counter by 7th March, but they served us on last evening, my lords.
Last. Why, Mr. Archival?
No, it was
Ambushing them.
My lords, we'll have to file a rejoinder because of what they've said. Otherwise, I would not make this request.
Oh. Then, what did you propose?
My lords, I've suggested 23rd April. If it's convenient to him, my lords, we can have it on that day.
Why you didn't? You file a counter when?
Yeah, we have filed the counter, but it was yesterday filed. Yesterday, it should have been filed by 7th. There was a delay of about 4 days.
So your lordships could condone the delay. I'm not objecting to that, but
No. Yes. We'll pass orders. It's very
In
tough.
line with petition 23, I'll also file a reply to this.
We'll pass orders.
Same order.
please, my lords, and the interim order to continue.
Yes.
I'm obliged. I'm obliged.
Yes.
May it please, Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 40 from hearing list, Lordship. 40, Lordship.
40.
40.
What is Rajiv Jeffrey?
Lordship, Lordship. On the last occasion, Lordship,
We had heard in part, Your Lordship,
Lordship.
and then
it was just,
regularization,
regularization, Lordship.
retrospective effect.
Lordship, I had sought for and Lordship had granted me leave to file an additional affidavit, Lordship, which I'll be filing in the course of the day, Lordship.
You've received copy?
No, we have not received.
I'll serve them, Lordship.
40. Okay. Mr. Espandi submits that the additional affidavit will file in the course of the day. According to this matter after 2 weeks.
2 weeks, Your Lordship.
Also, Lordship.
Supplementary list, item number 1.
No mention, sure. You have any mention? No other mentions? Okay, yes. Mr. RK General, how long will you take in your item number 3?
I won't not more than 30 to 45 minutes maximum.
Then we'll call it the end of the board.
Your Lordship may have it.
Alright.
Because I have prepared the short bullet points also and notes also, and then
Yes, okay. Yes.
Please, Lordship. Lordship, this is a matter pertaining to the suspension which is beyond 90 days. He's a new employee, Lordship.
From beyond 90 days? What happened? Why contempt?
Lordship, your Lordship's order is at Annexure 1, Lordship. The relevant paragraph will be at page 16. Page 16, Lordship.
Yes.
Para 10, Lordship. Am I allowed to read? As such, in view of the fact that no order of review has been passed within 90 days, the suspension is no longer valid and the petitioner is liable to be reinstated forward, notwithstanding the fact that he is facing serious criminal charges and inquiry also pending before the ICC. Lordship, the next para says, para 11, Lordship, the repetition is therefore allowed, but this order shall not be taken to preclude the respondents from taking such further actions as necessary under law or as provided under section 10(1) of the CCA rules, Lordship.
Yeah.
Now, after this order was passed, Lordship, we had intimated it to them at page 18. Now at page 19, Lordship,
Yes.
taking note of paragraph 11 of your Lordship's judgment,
Yes.
they had not reinstated me, Your Lordship. However, they had placed me under further suspension, Lordship.
This is 30th August 2024. When is the order dated?
Order dated is 16/7/24, Lordship.
Yes.
So now this order does not say about reinstatement, but they have further placed me under suspension, which is in violation of your Lordship's order.
Right.
Lordship, then thereafter, Lordship, at page 21,
Yes, you find appeal.
we had filed appeal challenging your Lordship's paragraph 11 of the judgment. Now the division bench upheld your Lordship's order, however clarified paragraph 11, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Page
11?
23.
Para
Page 20.
11?
Lordship, para 11 of your Lordship's order,
Okay.
Lordship.
Okay, what does it say?
Now, page 23, Your Lordship. It follows from the rules that revocation or setting aside of a suspension order does not necessarily prevent the disciplinary authority from passing another suspension order in respect of any different or further act of the delinquent. In our view, this is the interpretation to be given to the impugned judgment and order. Another order of suspension on the same cause of action cannot be maintained, but the authority is free to exercise powers under Section 10
What
in
happened?
case
You
of
haven't
any.
reinstated it till now?
No, 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 Lordship.
Okay, I heard Mr. Emlong say issue notice returnable in 2 weeks. Steps taken by reset AD within 3 days. This also.
No, Lordship.
Item number 2.
His Lordship,
Yes.
there is a defect in my petition, so I may be allowed to permit to withdraw and with the liberty to press. There's
What
some
defect is there?
some representation was in the name because I did not go through this. So there is a mistake,
You
Lordship.
prepare petition too fast, I think. No? When your mind's not there, you already typed it out, I think, before even you thought what to type about, right?
Yes, Lordship.
Okay, Mr. P. Some please went out to withdraw. Let me clarify.
Lordship.
Some due to defects, the petition is to withdraw the same will be fresh to advise. Praise the Lord. Let us close on withdrawal. How will liberty is played?
Much praise, Lordship.
Daily list. Item number 1.
Please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I'm praying for some time in this matter, Your Lordship.
Come?
I'm praying for some time, Your Lordship.
Praying
Conducting
for whom?
for the respondent, Your Lordship.
You're praying for the respondent.
Yes, Your Lordship.
This is your prayer.
Yes, Your Lordship.
It's fixed today for examining witnesses
Yes, Your Lordship.
from the election petitioner side.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes, Your
As the
Lordship.
conduct.
They have informed us yesterday, Your Lordship, that they are not ready. In fact, we were ready from our side, Your Lordship.
Are you all interested in pursuing this matter?
Yes, Your Lordship. In fact, we were ready, but then they informed us that they are not.
If not,
they
then
will be-
in the end, if you withdraw, will impose heavy cost.
No, Your Lordship, we are interested, Your Lordship.
You'll go for charity. The application for adjournment has on behalf of the respondent. Adjournments allowed for reasons stated therein. List after when?
After 3 weeks, Your Lordship.
Will die, natural death. Yes.
Item number 2.
See, I humbly pray that I may be given 10 days more just to file my objections.
Over.
He's already ready, or because the person is out of stations.
But I filed for impeachment. Yes, that was filed since.
No, Lordy, this is the second date.
Doesn't matter why second time.
Because I already prepared, but the person is out of stations. I need to see, has to sign
What's
it.
the objection?
We have an objection.
What's the objection? Can you give it in?
No, she's not the necessary party, not a proper party. A person coming after 14 or 20 years and
40
claiming
years?
14 years, yes, saying that I am the adopted daughter and I am the necessary party in this case. There's an objection I have to file.
Okay. Mr. M.F. Puri submits that due to unavoidable circumstances, the objection to the application for impleadment filed in Miss Case number 18/2025 could not be filed. He prays for not 1 week further time. Clears it after. Yes.
Item number 3.
We file affidavit, my lord, for respondent number 6.
Your Lordship, I had already received the affidavit. Your
From all the
Lordship.
respondents.
Yes, Your Lordship, I'm praying.
You are appearing for 1 to 5. And you are appearing for 6.
Yes, my lord.
6 is whom?
It's the person who have been awarded this
The beneficiary.
beneficiary.
The agent.
Who's running the check gate, my lord.
You don't check it now.
Yes.
You are the beneficiary.
Yes, yes, my lord.
Your Lordship, I'm praying for 3 weeks' time to file a rejoinder, Your
3 weeks
Lordship.
time for the joinder.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay, that's to your peril. Yes, MSSD Sangma. Praise allowed 3 weeks time for the joinder to the affidavits filed by the respondent. Praise allowed. Yes.
Bless
Your
you.
Lordship.
Item number 4.
Rejoinder filed.
No, Your Lordship, I had already received the affidavit of respondent number 7, 8 and respondent number 5. But then I haven't received the affidavit of
You file your affidavit,
I
Mr.
filed-
Woman, 1 to 6 and 9.
File.
1 to 6 and 9, there's
1
the
to
affidavit.
1 to 4 and 6, I haven't received affidavit.
I fully filed.
Lordship.
What do you want to 4 and 6?
Oh, sorry, 5 I had received, but 1 to 4 I haven't received affidavit, Your Lordship. 1 to 4 and 6 as well.
Will this affidavit suffice for all
Yes,
the
yeah.
respondents?
Yes, ma'am.
You say that then.
Okay. Then I'm paying for.
You won't file your affidavit. That's it. This is the only affidavit you'll file.
Affidavit.
Yes, Mr. A. Moomin submits that the affidavit filed on behalf of respondent 5 will suffice to after 7 and 8 is whom? Will suffice for the other respondents as well. Stop. 7, 8 you received.
Yes, Your Lordship, I had already received 7, 8 and 5. I had already
You want to
received.
file rejoinder of 7, 8 also?
Yes, Your Lordship, I'll be filing a rejoinder. I'm praying for 2 weeks' time.
Already on board. Stop, MSSA Sangma. Please allow to file rejoinder to the affidavits aforementioned. Praise allowed this after 2 weeks.
Item number 5.
5 other respondents. Will also suffice.
Your Lordship, we have received the affidavit filed by the opposite party.
By the?
We require to file rejoinder, Your Lordship. So I'm seeking liberty from Your Lordship.
You want to file rejoinder?
Yes, Your Lordship.
What's your name?
T. Marngar. T. Marngar.
T. Marngar. Also for Mr. Praise was allowed 2 weeks time to file rejoinder affidavit.
Ali Obaj.
Item number 6.
Lord, these are items 6 to 11 and 14 to 18 are connected matter, my lord. We have received the instruction, voluminous instruction, my lord. We need some more time.
What's about encroachment?
No, my lord. It's in regard to the service.
Irregularization, my lord.
Irregularization of
They-
Which
service.
department?
This is health department. Health department of the
You are appealing
district.
for some of the petitioners also?
Item number, serial number 15 to 18.
Just note down. In 18 case, Gautam. Mr. Nath in
6 to 11 and 14.
6 to 11 and 14, Mr. Nath, and 15 to 18? Yes, how much time you require?
2 weeks, my lord. 2 weeks.
Yes, Learned LP General submits that as the records received are voluminous, 2 weeks further time required for affidavits. Yes. Prayers allowed just after 2 weeks for affidavits by the respondents. Same order, but no order record. 15 to 18, correct? 15 to 18. Yes.
Allah blessed.
Item number 12.
Please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, we were unable to file the affidavit as
How many times you've taken?
Your Lordship, we haven't received any instruction, Your
Yes?
Lordship. We haven't received any instruction as
So you won't file affidavit.
the registrar is on leave, Your Lordship.
So what can we do? The court's not on leave. What's the matter about?
Your Lordship, this is regarding non-clearance of tender amount, Your Lordship.
Non-payment of?
Tender amount.
80% of the amount has been
80% we have already received, Your Lordship.
Or is the refund?
Yes.
Yes, as paid further 2 weeks time allowed to the responsive file affidavit. This thereafter and so on.
Much obliged.
Item 13.
Your Lordship, on the last day we have asked for prayer for rejoinder, Your Honor. But we would like to go for the hearing on the next day, Your Lordship. We will not file the rejoinder but go for the hearing.
You won't file rejoinder?
No, Your Honor.
MS R. Hongre
Yes, Your Honor.
submits that rejoinder will not be necessary. Stop. He prays the matter visit for hearing. Okay. Same not objected to by MS M. Merchant for the respondents. Next paragraph, according to the matter for hearing on so and so. Yes.
Item 19.
Your Lordship, we are supposed to file our rejoinder, Your Lordship, but we are unable to file it. The petitioner is out of station. So Your Lordship may kindly grant us a week's time, we'll file it.
So, right, Your Lordship.
And it can be fixed for hearing after that, Your Lordship.
Yes, Mr. Kharmoplang, appealing for?
4, 5, and 4,
There's
5,
also a
6
pension
and 7.
matter.
No, Your Lordship,
this
the
is
recovery
regarding
of the
The private
surface.
respondent. Oh.
Regarding this.
It's regarding this or the house.
Surface, yes, Your Lordship. The property.
But you said that's already been taken over?
Yes,
the bank has taken over.
physical possession has been taken over, but we have not yet auctioned it. You know that we're just waiting for.
You're not staying there.
No,
We are not staying there.
Actually, there was tenants staying there, Lordship.
Tenants are still staying there.
No.
So they have already vacated the
The house
premises.
is empty.
The houses.
And what remains then in the
Your
petition?
may I just kindly give us 1 week's time? We'll just.
Nothing remains for consideration.
There are some communication between the bank and us also, you know.
Now,
so
what about you already instituted recovery? I mean, this what
Surface
was the stage of
proceedings.
surface proceeding?
Yes, surface proceedings have already been initiated since last year, Lordship. And as
No, now what is the stage?
the stage is that we have taken physical possession, but because of the pending case, Your Lordship, we are just
Nothing
waiting for the
remains
case
then,
to be
Your Lordship,
disposed
there are
of.
some communication
So that we
between
can
me and the
dispose
bank,
of the
which the bank have,
property and
have
recover
concealed
our
in their,
money.
in their affidavit. So Your Lordship, may kindly ask 1 week's time, we'll bring that on record.
Yes, Mr. Marangar, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Praise for further 1 week's time to file rejoinder. Stop. Next paragraph. MST Yangi, B Senior Advocate for Respondents 1 to 3 has also submitted that nothing remains for consideration in the petition in view of the fact that the building in question has already been repossessed,
Physical possession has been taken.
Physical possession of the building in question has already been taken over respondents 1, 2, 3. You also support this view?
Yes, Lordship. No.
With this submission is also supported by Mr. K. Kharmoplang, responsible 4 to 7. Stop. However, for the interest of justice, 1 week's final apology is granted to the writ petitioner to file the joint affidavit. The matter will be listed for hearing thereafter immediately. There's no point keeping it. And now the court can't interfere in all these surface I and DRT proceedings. Obliged.
Item 20.
May it please Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I'm entering appearance on behalf of Respondent 4 and 5, Your Lordship.
Who is 4 and 5?
A private respondent,
My
Your
private
Lordship.
respondents, Your
Asking
Lordship.
matter?
No, Your Lordship, this is inter seniority, Your Lordship.
Patiently Stone Lingdo, PHE.
Yes, Your Lordship, PhD.
MS Ailingwa to his under appearance on behalf of respondents 4 and 5. As such, notice is complete. You're appearing 1, 2, 3.
Yes, Your Lordship. Your
All
Lordship, I'm
respondent.
waiting for time to file our application.
Yes, she prays for and how much time?
2 weeks' time, Your Lordship.
Yes, for about 2 weeks' time to file affidavit stop. Similar prayers made by MSZ in non-country on behalf 1, 2, 3. Prayers also allowed. Yes, after 2 weeks, affidavits by the respondent.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Item 21.
Lordship, I pray for 2 weeks' time. We are yet to receive instructions.
Who's for the petitioner?
M. Rahman, E.
What
Ahmed,
about 8? Correspond 6 and 7? You're not appearing.
I'm 21, yes.
Who's appearing 6 and 7?
We haven't 1 to
No
5.
appearances yet. They've been served, correct?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes, MS Sham for 1, 2, 5 and Mr. Kriyam for 1 by 8. Pray for allowed for a 2 weeks' time. Oh, you have obtained status. They've been served.
It's already served, Your Lordship. Oh, we haven't filed our affidavit. We'll file our affidavit, Your Lordship.
Praise for a 2 weeks' time for advert. Praise allowed. That's the top next by MS M. Rahman, counsel for the petitioner. Please submits that status of service on respondents 6 and 7 has been obtained. She pays for and is allowed to file an affidavit indicating service at respondents. It is a matter of 2 weeks for affidavits by respondents.
6 and 7.
All the affidavits yes, by the respondent for service affidavit by the petitioner.
Item 22.
Obliged, Your Lordship. 24.
Item 22 and 23, my lord. These are the two matters filed by the petitioner seeking to challenge the award, my lord. And then the whole case is that there was a draft discussion between government and the collector, my lord. And there was certain amount which was mentioned in the draft discussion, my lord. Final award is different from the draft discussion. What they are saying is that draft order should the government should be directed to pay draft amount.
To translate the draft to the award.
The draft to the award. Award has already been announced by the collector. Money has been received by the respective petitioners, my lord. Now they are challenging it by way of writ petition. Whether the writ petition in that light, if your lordship will see one page only, page 97, for example.
Page
97. Now they have under section 23.
Yes. Where's this area?
One is in your lordship is in Western Bypass. It's in East Khasi Hill, and one in Rivoi district, my lord. If your lordship will see at the top, it is mentioned also. Construction of 2 lane with paved shoulders along Western Bypass. Now, one of the petitioner has received 40 crore 85 lakh rupees so and so. So he has received this amount, my lord. Now, he can challenge this reference before.
One petitioner received 40 crores.
Well, there 400 crore rupees have been disbursed to all the
No, but this amount on behalf of other people or his own?
Now that, my lord, as per the order, it says that it is the land is owned by him. He has received on his own behalf only. And if your lordship will see next 98, if your lordship will see page 98.
Why is courts asking? Because sometimes.
Yes, your lordship, I have seen on community land is being, yes, I have 4-5 cases I have seen that community land is being transferred to individual and individual is receiving. It's a complete fraud, my lord, that if your lordship will see page 98, my lord, page 98, for example, 53, 5,300. So each individual petitioner has, for example, 41.
No, see, Mr. Architect is the same person. In one he receives 40 crores.
My God.
85 lakhs.
Yeah, and the other one also he has received. Yes, my lord.
The next one is 5,356, and again another amount of 41
So it is in respect of different land, my lord. It is in respect of different land, different pieces of land. Point which I was making, my lord, if your lordship will see 100, because they have annexed about 200 such copies of the award from.
How is it possible one person will get me 682 rupees?
97 to 331, my lord, is an award. 97 to 331, about 200, more than 200.
Okay, yes.
So the point which I was trying to convey, my lord, that they have received the respective amount. They have to challenge within 6 months of the reference, my lord. That's because there is a legal bar in maintaining the writ petition. In RTI, they have got some information that there was deliberation between the government and the district collector. That is also permissible under the Act itself also. So that award, which was the amount which was there in the RTI or in the government file, my lord, that award, that is not an award under the Act. So there is a statutory scheme under which they have received the amount, my lord. So my submission is that, my lord, there is a legal bar on.
Take instructions.
Your lordship.
Where's the senior?
Your lordship, he's indisposed, your lordship.
He's indisposed?
Yes, your lordship.
Then will you file a short affidavit?
Yes, my lord. I'll on law.
Today, Mr. the President has raised questions with regard to the maintainability of the writ petition in view of the existence of alternate remedy. Like the MSP Biswakarma, Leonard Council Petitioner, please will have to obtain instructions.
22, 23, both matters, my lord.
Yes. Then once again, it is directed that the respondents put the objections in the form of affidavit by the next date. Yes. Yes, MS Ember Chang appearing for respondents number
7
to 9.
First matter.
Also praised for and allowed 2 weeks time for affidavit. Yes, after 2 weeks, yes.
Item 23, same order, my lord. 23.
You put objections on affidavit, you don't have to make it voluminous.
24.
Yes. 24. Mention
Lordship, we are awaiting
Not filing
instructions.
affidavit.
No, yeah, awaiting instructions. My lord. In fact, we entered appearance on the last date. My lord. This matter had come up during the vacation.
I'm paying for further 2 weeks.
No.
One second. Is interim order?
Yes, Your Lordship.
What interim order with regard to?
That annexure 7, that dated 13.
Okay. Managing committee matter. Yes, Mr. K.B. Parchaji for respondent 1, 2, 3 and Mr. Coach for 4 pray for allowed further 2 weeks time to file affidavit. Interim order, we shall finish the next day.
25.
25 and 26, these two matters were mentioned by on 23rd April.
Yes, affidavits, it is submitted by Learned Senior Counsel, Ms. S. Mridhar, that the affidavit filed by the state respondents has just been received. Please be allowed sufficient time to file the joint letter to the same. So accordingly, the prayer is allowed only this matter on 23rd April for further orders. Yes.
Interim order to continue.
Oh yes, interim order. If I need to continue to the next day.
27.
Lordship, I'm praying 2 weeks time to file my affidavit. Lordship. Filing for affidavit, Lordship, affidavit.
You're paying for whom?
FCI, Lordship. Respondent number 2, 3 and 4.
There's a stay order.
Lordship, it stayed the debarment notice till today.
May continue next.
Where's Mr. B.K. Singh?
He's in this post.
You are paying on behalf of B.K. Singh?
Lordship.
And you? Who's number 1?
One is the Union of India, Ministry of Consumer Affairs.
Okay, Mr. M. Prasad, on behalf of numbers 2 to 4. You're not filing affidavit? No. Are you filing affidavit or not on behalf of number 1? No. Your name? Can't hear you. B. Kong Yong. Yes. Take down first Mr. M. Prasad, counsel for respondents 2 to 4. Praise for further time to file.
2 weeks time for affidavit.
Further 2 weeks time to file affidavit on behalf of to file affidavit of I-224M. MS B. Kong Yong, respondent 1, submits that no affidavit forthcoming from this respondent. This after 2 weeks.
It's the interim order may kindly be extended.
Interim order until next date. Yes.
Hearing 28.
What do you say? After the orders? No, that other matter.
Supplementary. Item number 3.
Orders.
This matter, my lord.
But before the learning starts, but this morning they've served us a compilation of 500 pages, my lord.
I have only served the judgment, nothing else. Judgment.
So whether the matter is being heard finally or we are the interim hearing, my lord, that is
finally.
Matter has to be heard finally. This is my case also, my lord. Whatever, everything is there before your lordship.
Final hearing.
Final hearing.
What
was the point of hearing interim again?
What was understood on the last occasion when Mr. Mr. was arguing that the present hearing is for the purpose of interim only?
But he argued like final hearing.
Finally, everything was argued, my lord. Nothing left.
He wants to can make a reply argument if he wants. That's the only thing. We'll hear Advocate General, and then like if Mr. Mishra or you are here, you can make arguments.
Give me the other one. My lord, a short bullet point notes have been prepared on the issue wise, and they.
What is on file is a short affidavit. If they say that this is their final affidavit,
this is my final.
They say it is short affidavit.
Yes,
the affidavit
this is
filed
my
with them is a
final
short
affidavit.
affidavit. It's mentioned a short affidavit.
So the last affidavit.
That is the only
affidavit.
Not the
one today, correct?
I'm not filing any affidavit.
Today is a compilation of judgment.
Judgments only, because I can give the citations also. I have given them for their convenience, my lord.
But only thing is, my lord, the AG can submit, will reply either on 17th or 20th, my lord. Today is 13th, my lord.
See, Mr. Moses puts his court in a very difficult position. Tomorrow they can reply. You can reply. Otherwise, again,
My lord, today and tomorrow, the senior counsel has some fixed matters in Guwahati. So today is Wednesday, my lord. Wednesday, Thursday, except these 2 days, my lord. Friday or Monday, Friday. Or the matter is heard finally on Thursday or Friday, my lord.
Next Friday.
This Friday, my lord.
Friday is holiday.
Friday holiday.
17th Monday.
We're logging our list docket honestly. We'll hear you if it's necessary to hear the same counsel again.
Reply will be required.
You're here.
Mojika knows better than us. He knows.
I have briefed. I have not kept anything with me.
Yes. He knows better than,
yes, my lord.
Than the court also.
If your lordship will see the notes, my lord, because their whole case is, my lord.
My lord, in any case, the matter is not going to conclude today, my lord.
It will.
I'll
conclude in half an hour.
AG will argue on 17th, my lord, and will reply. Then the matter can be concluded on the same day, my lord.
Whatever.
On 17th.
My friend says, I have no issue.
Then we'll have it on the 17th.
17, 20 or 21. 3 dates.
17.
Any of these dates.
17. I would be praying for the earliest date if my friend is having inconvenience today. Otherwise, I'm ready and your lordship will.
Okay, so then have on 17 then.
17.
Today there were 2 matters. I thought that I will, free my time to hear that matter. The other, what's that? The blacklisting matter.
Oh, blacklisting. That is also got it, John.
Honestly, waste my time in the morning reading the file. That's why I don't read the files anymore.
I have also burned midnight oil in reading and coming and not well also. So I thought I will finish it. That's why I prepared notes also.
I have an allergy, so I said, let's read because,
17th, my lord.
Becomes, futile exercise.
So then on 17th, the matter will be finally.
Half of the respondents has been filed by the Learned Advocate General. The same taken on board. It is submitted that a compilation of judgments has also been provided. You give the compilation, yes?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes.
And
as the however, as Learned Senior Counsel on behalf of the respondent, Mr. D.K. Mishra, correct, is not available today. Is not available today. This is a matter on 17th by admission hearing. It is understood that the entire matter and the endeavor should be disposed of the entire matter on that day. Too much concessions to the petitioners, Mr. Instead of order continue next date.
28.
No vote. Because after Magna Carta and also, Yes.
Please, Lordship, this is a matter where the state had to get instruction regarding the extension which I had filed, the extension order. He is under deputation, if you could remember, Your Lordship. He was under deputation.
Oh, yes. Is that a negative matter?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
may it please, Your Lordship. Lordship, the state has no liability. The liability lies with the NICREM, Your Lordship. If Lordship kindly come.
Where's the gap period, Mr. Marpan? It is the gap years, which one?
No, Your Lordship, it has been extended till 1999. That all
the gap years for your liability.
89 to 99.
10 years, yes.
10 years. Your Lordship, if you could just have a look at the state affidavit at page 21, Your Lordship, please kindly. There's an office memorandum, which Your Lordship have also gone through this. This state affidavit was filed on last
19
year.
December.
15 December 2023. The state affidavit.
Paragraph?
Page 21, Your Lordship, office memorandum, Your Lordship. Page 21.
Yes.
This one. If I may read, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Now, in this office memorandum, Your Lordship, there's a reference made to a previous memorandum, which is of 7 February 1986. You can see the first paragraph towards the last three line. There's a reference made to a memorandum 7 February 1986. This office memorandum was placed by the state. Just a copy of it was supplied. I don't know whether it's there in the record or not. The state had provided that.
86 one.
7 February 1986.
It's not.
It's they have provided last time. I got a copy of it. I just got one single copy, but they have supplied that. From the central. Central have provided that.
Yes, yes, we got it. Yes.
We can see, Your Lordship, the first paragraph. It's very clear. I am directed, if I may read, Your Lordship,
Yes,
I am directed to say that in August 1984, central government had issued orders that where a central government employee born on permanent on pensionable establishment is to allowed to be absorbed in a central autonomous body having a pension scheme of its own. The service rendered by him under the government shall be allowed to be counted towards pension under the autonomous body, irrespective whether the employee was temporary or permanent in government, subject to certain conditions. The same procedure will apply in the case of employees of the autonomous bodies who are permanently absorbed under the central government. Certain employees of the state governments and the state autonomous bodies who join the central autonomous body statutory bodies have also represented that their service under the state government, state autonomous body may be allowed to be counted towards pension under the central autonomous body where they are presently working.
Employees, state governments, just read it slowly. Certain employees, state government and state autonomous bodies who join the central autonomous body, statutory bodies are also represented that their service as state government may be allowed to be counted towards pensions. Okay.
Where they are presently working.
Okay. Now, what is the conclusion?
Similarly, certain.
So, what is the conclusion of this?
So, this means that where he was working should be counted.
Yes. So, for that period of deputation from 89 to 99, that means his period will be counted and the liability will vest with the central government.
Where he was working.
Where is the last part?
So, similarly, certain central government servants and employees of the central autonomous bodies, statutory bodies, might have joined autonomous bodies, statutory bodies, excluding public undertakings of the state government, and may be desirous of getting the benefits of counting the service under the central government autonomous body towards pension in the organization they are presently working. So it should be counted where they're presently working. So in between the year 89 to 99, he was working the central.
And the extension orders are there?
Yes, extension orders are there.
Yes, Dr. Mosika, nothing remains.
If Lordship, please, Your Lordship, if Lordship kindly have the affidavit filed by the petitioner at page 19, Your Lordship.
The last affidavit.
Lordship, the affidavit, that is annexion 9, page 19, Your Lordship.
Additional affidavit.
Lordship, yes, filed by the writ petitioner.
Say that.
Page 19, Your Lordship. If Lordship is pleased to kindly come to the last paragraph.
1 second.
Lordship, I'm sorry, Lordship. Lordship, kindly come to this last paragraph. In view of the above, Your Lordship.
Where, which page?
Page 19, Your Lordship, annexion 9. Last paragraph, Your Lordship. Yes. In view of the above, and in the event that the matter might be taken for finalization, it is requested that this term of the may be extended for another year with effect from, so that is to this, Your Lordship, the government acceded to this request, Your Lordship, and Lordship will find it at page 16 of this affidavit, Your Lordship. Page 16 and 17, Your Lordship. So it has that further extension has been made, Your Lordship, with effect from 97 to 98, and then
Why we did not in part of the petition earlier on when you filed it first?
Lordship.
Would have solved a lot of problems instead of just,
I understand, but these were not in my possession. In my possession, Your Lordship. It was
Then-
much later discovered when they have denied it. Then, because the petitioner, after he retired, he shifted to Garo Hills. So
Then-
while shifting, his daughters then Guwahati. So
Then after this letter of 19 annexure 8 page
See,
17,
letter
Your
24
Lordship.
October 97. And then why is paginated this way? This next is 3rd December should come after the 19.
Then Lordship kindly come to page 17 annexure 8.
1 second. It's 998. It's 1 year after.
Lordship.
Okay.
Kindly come to page 17, Your Lordship, annexure A. So it has been extended till 1999, Your Lordship. And in pursuance to this, Your Lordship, what did the NICRIM do, Your Lordship? Lordship, kindly come to page 14 to the writ petition. Lordship, because the state government has released him on 24/10/1989.
So the dates overlap. Page 14.
Page 14, Your Lordship. Lordship, kindly see the
Now
order.
this is 111 here. That's fine. That means from 111/99,
Lordship.
and then the release is this. I'm recording so
For
so.
of the relevant period towards pension.
That's fine then.
His pleased to order the permanent of in the service of again the post will his services in government of Meghalaya. Lordship, kindly see his services in government of Meghalaya is counted for the purpose of regulation of the relevant period towards pension. It's very clear, Your Lordship. The liability rests with the NICRIM, not with the state, Your Lordship. We have released him on 24/10/1999. We have extended it till 1999, Your Lordship. So that is why the NICRIM has issued this letter. It's very clear.
Yeah, Dr.
We have
Mujita.
no liability.
Here we have stated
No, but in view of this office memorandum 25 January 1990, referring to the 86 memorandum, where it's best with you only.
it only says that service rendered in government of Meghalaya will be counted for the purpose of pension. It doesn't say anything more. Now, while he was serving in government of Meghalaya, his amount of gratuity must have been deducted or whatever from his salary. That is, we don't know whether that money was ever forwarded to the principal.
That what can the court do?
But that's one aspect. The second aspect, my lord, the gratuity.
Let's see from your affidavit. Page
2.
You have for 1, 4, and 5.
1, 4, 5, yes.
Page.
Page 2, my lord, para sub 4, para A.
Excuse me.
That's it. Marathi ex-multitasker staff retired from NICRIM for attaining the age of superannuation with effect from 13/9/21. Consequent upon his retirement, the institute issued instruction for payment of pension and other government benefits, and the institute had paid the monthly pension of rupees 19,900 plus applicable DNS salary, retirement gratuity of rupees 5 lakhs also, replacement of 30 days amounted to rupees 5 lakhs also, computation of pension amounted to rupees 7,82,000, GP of rupees 4,46,000, and composite transfer grant rupees 3,840 rupees. Now, after this, my lord, if there was a gap period, because what happens when normally what I understand, if a person moves from one department to other, or one government to other, so whatever amount is deposited in GPF, so those have to be transferred to the
Provident Fund and all.
Provident Fund and GPF, and whatever details are there. But here we do not know. As per our calculation, we have no more. Whatever liability we had, that has been claimed.
Then how is the court, then what direction can we give? Then you have to ascertain that amount now from the state respondents again.
The pension book is very clear. It's counted from 99. The pension book. In the pension book, it's very clear. It's mentioned that it's been counted from 99, from the absorption, when he was permanently absorbed.
Not from 89.
Not from 89. It's very clear.
So who will, the lost years, that means that you're willing to count his pension from that date where he came on deputation, but you still have some doubts regarding the amount that already drawn, already availed of, and deductions.
Normally what happens, pension is calculated on the last payday. And that is subject to rendering certain prescribed years of service, 20 years or 30 years. In my submission, that order, what is only for the purpose of counting. So if somebody renders 20 years of service or 40 years of service, that will not make any difference to the pension amount. But if somebody renders only 15 years in leaves, then that becomes relevant so that he becomes entitled to pension on completed. If the part service is counted, right, then he gets 20 years of service, then he is entitled to it. Now there is no dispute that pension is and pension is calculated on the basis of last pay drop.
Yeah, but then what about his last years of service then? 892, which should be counted towards his pension.
But that will not make any difference to pension.
You sure about that?
Pension is calculated on the last pay drawn method.
50% of basic.
50% of the basic last pay drawn method, subject to 20 years of minimum service. Now, if he was in ignorance only for 15 years, for example, then he per se would not have been entitled to. Then the state government service will be counted, and then his service will be more than 20 years, and then he will be entitled to.
Sure, authority.
I'll try to. But
no, understand. We understand. The thing is that now the only thing is that whether that it makes a difference or not, we don't know. But then you give an authority.
Now, moreover, Lordship will see leave encashment. The maximum entitlement is 300 days only, my lord. You guys will pay 300 days in leave entitlement. So whether
is entitled any relief at all now?
In my humble submission, because 300 days leave encashment is the maximum, my lord. Even if somebody has 600 days of leave available to him, my lord, payment is only for 300 days. So that has been paid to him. Pension has been paid to him, my lord. Commutation of pension has been paid. GPF has been paid to him.
But he's getting pension now.
He's getting family pension.
Getting it. But the benefits of 89 to 99 that I have not received.
No, see, you've heard what this Supreme Court argued. Said that does make no difference. It's only for the purpose of counting your years of service, that's all, whether it be eligible for pension or not. They have a minimum 20 years you have to put in for VRS or for pension, whatever. So the thing is that it's saying the last pay drawn, you're drawing from Nigrams, that's 50% of basic plus, that's it. So it's not a question of lost years in service. If the pensions are being paid because they didn't count your service, then maybe you have a case that the counting of years in service with a state where you, obviously state, before you came in deputation has to be counted. It makes no difference, you present an authority. I don't know, let me do some research also.
I'll take it just over the department.
Yes. We'll have it after 1 week, yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, after hearing at some length, Dr. N. Musica prays will have to obtain some further instructions from the respondent number 1, 4 and 5 as to entitlements of the petitioner to any further amounts, to any further amount of terminal benefits from what's also already been paid to him.
Oblige, your lords.
Pleasure.
29.
Please, Your Lordship. I'm appearing for respondent number GHTC.
Where's the petitioner?
I don't know, Your Lordship.
The one appeared last time. 1 second. Now 1612. Come up here. Who's for the petitioner?
Arpal, sir.
Mr.
Sir Arpal, Your Lordship.
Sir Arpal. In this matter, there has been intermittent appearance on behalf of the writ petitioner. Last date, none had appeared. Today also none had appeared. According matter stands dismissed for default. Yes.
30.
Yeah. Just want to dispose of it. Yeah. Ready with the matter?
Lordship, I miss mentioning around.
Ready with the matter, correct?
No, Your Lordship. My apology, Your Lordship, for missing the mentioning round, Your Lordship.
The one you mentioned earlier?
Lordship, I was talking traffic.
Because if you let the matter be called out, it means you're ready with the matter.
Lordship, my apology, Lordship.
Well, you have the brief with you.
Lordship.
You have the file with you.
Lordship.
Yes, you're ready. Yes.
Lordship, 2
Start,
weeks.
huh?
Lordship, 2 weeks, Your Lordship. 2 weeks may be granted, Your Lordship.
Tomorrow?
2 weeks, Your Lordship.
Not interested in the matter anymore.
Lordship, senior counsel will be in a better position, Your
You
Lordship.
should mention in the beginning. Yes, Karyam, correct? Please for some accommodation due to the absence of hugging counsel. Only after 2 weeks.
Much pleasure.
Item 31.
Yes. Yes, Mr.
This is,
Tanna.
may I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, this is in regard to the encroachment, alleged encroachment of the land, which arising out of the notice in page number 17, my lord.
1 second. Let me see a paper. Yes.
In page 17 of the writ petition, my lord.
Yes. Mountain Road.
Yes. Encroachment of PW road, right of way, my lord.
Yes.
So I read, my lord.
Yes. This is dated when?
This is
15
dated
one.
15 January 2024.
What notice is this?
Notice has been given stating that some encroachment of the PW road has been done by the resident of that place, my lord. So, my lord, here thereafter, my lord, the petitioners have filed this application, my lord, writ petition. Now here the entire place, my lord, belong to the clan where their land has been registered with the CM of Nongstein, my lord. It is this land was occupying by the these occupants, my lord.
Where is this located?
This is located in Shalang, my lord. Shalang area.
Mountain Road. Okay. Encroach.
And the land is marked and known as Riangsi village. It's a big village, my lord. And they were occupying, they were residing there since their ancestors time immemorial, my lord. Thereafter, that particular land were registered with the Nongstein
Where is the registration?
Registration is in page 13 translated.
Page 13.
And the Xerox copy is 11, my lord.
12,001.
It was in the year 1981, registered. And it is specifically mentioned the boundaries also, my lord.
1 second. Where is your name here?
Well, these names are my ancestors' name, my lord.
Who is your ancestor? You've written down in the petition that I am the son of so and so.
No, that
or
is
grandson or great grandson of so and so.
No, we have mentioned we are the grandchildren.
No, from the people who are named here. See, the people named here are Bangjari Dorangre, Songsak, Sinjang Dorangre, all Dorangres.
Yes, my lord.
See, Songsak or Dorangre. Your name is Yol Songma. So.
My lord, this is the clan is Darangre clan, my lord.
So, who are you then?
I'm the grandchildren, my lord.
How do you establish that?
My lord, our.
The way you've written in the petition, that so and so is my grandfather and he's named at number so and so in the title in the registration done before this aim of Nongstoin. That way, then I can go and stay somewhere roadside and say that I'm the descendant of, of some Harkongor clan or something.
My lord, I in paragraph 2, I have mentioned, my lord, that belongs to the clan Drange Sanjak. The petitioners are belong to.
Daughters of the Rangre Songsak clan, including ancestor of petitioner. Whose ancestor?
My lord, there are so many petitioners, my lord. So the names by whose.
No, see one thing, Mr. Nat, okay, all forget the jest apart. See, the thing is that what is the subject of the notice? Okay, you kindly see subject encroachment on periodic land right of way. You know what is right of way?
Yes, my lord.
Right of way is the distance has to be maintained between the road and the what do you call it, the between the road and the
yes. Side by side
or whatever, or yes. Now, if you own this land from before, that means this road didn't exist that time. Did it exist at that point of time?
There was a small road, my lord.
No, did it exist at that point of time?
There was a road existed, my lord.
PWD road.
It's long before, my lord.
Then before 81.
But my lord, they have before 81.
Then you go and file a suit. Then we'll dispose it off. Because see, the thing is, right of way means what? Means if just common sense. Now, even if lands belong to certain clans, and you see the PWD road that pass through there, that stands to reason that PWD road it goes and the right of way is maybe 10 feet or something, from the center of the road or center from the side of the road, whatever. So that is right of way. So they only notice that Mr. Louis Sangma, you have encroached into the right of way. That means you built some structure right on the road.
On the road.
Then you file a suit.
But Melody State has not given any document to show that.
The document to show. Now you have to establish your right. You're saying that's my right. PWD road doesn't have to establish this is the PWD road that you accept. Correct. Vehicles are going from there every day.
There existing road is there.
That's what.
But encroachment.
Suppose there's no existing road. Okay. Suppose it's a forested area. Suppose you're staying there, in ancestral land. Then someone says like, Mr. A, kindly you have encroached into forest land. Kindly get out. Then you might say, yes, like, on what basis I've been staying for a long time. But your case is that you're staying, it's on the road. So you have to establish it by evidence. Court, we can't go into disputed facts. Even how much area occupying, have you said where in your petition?
No, it's a big area. It is by the name. Area. Demarcation is not there.
Area which is occupying. Now, Louis Sangma has been identified by the authority by Respondent. Said this, Mr. Louis Sangma, he's built a shop on the side of the road. Give him a notice. Now, your case is that this might be 10 meters or 10 feet, my shop. It's
even residential area also, my lord.
You have to take alternate remedy. Because all disputed facts, this court can't decide. I can't examine the veracity of this title deed. That's why I was asking if you can just trace who's your particular ancestor. And if was the land acquired for the road?
No, there is no acquisition process.
No. When the road was there, you said since your forefathers' time.
Yes.
So that we don't know. Yes, Mr. Burung.
My lord is absolutely correct, my lord. Pointing to the fact that, firstly, my lord, the locus of the petitioner herein, my lord. He hasn't brought into record, my lord, the lineage. So therefore, my lord, he has got no locus in the present matter, my lord. That apart, my lord, be that as it may, my lord. This land was acquired long time back. Compensations were paid.
Is there an affidavit?
Yes, my lord. My affidavit, my lord. Kindly come to page 65, my lord. Type copy.
Number 65.
65, my lord. That is the type copy.
Just excuse.
Here, my lord, all the landowners, my lord,
Yes.
Yes, my lord. Here, my lord.
65.
65, my lord. That is the type copy, my lord.
Yes.
Here, my lord, all the coming to know about the intention of the government to take over the land, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, the clans collectively, my lord, appointed one Mr. Whiterson Songshap for receiving the land compensation, my lord. Now, my lord, kindly come to page 78, my lord.
Excuse me.
My lord.
Yes.
So, my lord, here the compensation was received on behalf of all the clans by duly appointed by the clans here under his signature, my lord.
Yes.
So, my lord, throughout, so the state government acquired, my lord, 30 meters of right of way, my lord, ROW, and out of which, my lord, in different.
Where you get that right away?
My lord, kindly come to paragraph 11, page 4 of my affidavit, my lord. 30 meters. So at different patches, my lord, the government had utilized only between 12 meter to 16.5 meter, my lord, out of 30 meter, and hence the encroachment, my lord.
Yes. Anything else?
My lord.
Yes, Mr. Ongpul will have nothing to say because his documents date 81 and all the other these events are subsequent.
It is on record.
Mr. Abraham appearing for whom?
So,
well, it's different.
No, it's same.
Then why yes? Oh, he's spreading the largest around to all the government advocates. That's why, yes. Yes.
The government has conducted any survey or show that there's an encroachment by the petitioner.
See, that is all in the air. That's why I was telling Mr. Nath that whatever right he sees achieved, he has alternate remedy. He has to prove his case. It's sitting in writ court. Writ court, we can't decide anything. We can't decide these matters.
That apart, my lord, either the petitioner has to approach the, my lord, civil court, or they can even approach the, my lord, tribunal, my lord, highway tribunal, my lord. I've enclosed the copy of the act, my lord, here, and the provisions and
we'll pass orders today.
Deeply obliged.
Highly blessed.
31 to 39.
Yes, my lord. 31 to 39, my lord.
41.
Deeply obliged.
41.
Who's for the petitioner?
I'm for the petitioner, my lord. My lord, I'm appearing on behalf of Mr. B. He's on legs, my lord. My lord, kindly the matter may be adjourned for the time being, my lord. It is for a day, my lord.
List after 1 week, yes, as Mr. V. Kumar not available presently.
42.
May please, Lordship. Lordship.
Yes, you're ready with the matter. Sorry, you're ready.
Accommodation, Your Lordship. Accommodation, Your Lordship.
You forgot to mention in the morning.
Lordship, I was stuck in traffic, Your Lordship. That's why I missed mentioning wrong, Your Lordship. I tender my sincerest of apology, Your Lordship.
The contract has already been executed.
Is that supply of?
X-ray machine.
It's already being used in operation now.
Yes, ma'am. Most of it.
After 2 weeks, yes.
Highly obliged.
Okay. Today were supposed to be two heavy matters, but